For many people, owning a beautiful home feels further away than ever. Rising construction costs, expensive labor, and unpredictable material prices have convinced countless future homeowners that building simply isn't realistic anymore. Every year, the number gets a little further out of reach, and the dream of a home that actually feels custom, not compromised, starts to feel like something other people get to have. But what if some of the most impressive Barndominium homes available today already come with a surprising advantage, and several of them cost less than $100,000? Over the next few minutes, we'll break down 6 real, currently available prefab Barndominium homes that each solve a different challenge future homeowners face, from saving money and maximizing space, to creating stylish, comfortable living without an oversized budget. By the end, you may discover that the smartest home isn't necessarily the most expensive one. Great homes aren't always remembered because they cost more. They're remembered because every design decision served a purpose. Here at Modern Luxury Homes USA, we share practical building advice, inspiring home designs, and real-world housing ideas to help you make smarter decisions, whether you're planning your first build or simply gathering inspiration for the future. If practical home ideas, smarter building decisions, and modern design inspire you, go ahead and subscribe. And make sure you stay with us until the very end, because each of today's 6 prefab homes takes a completely different approach to affordable living, and one of them might be exactly what you've been searching for. Before we get into the homes themselves, it's worth understanding why prefab construction has become such a serious contender in 2026, and not just a budget fallback. Traditional stick-built homes are assembled on-site, exposed to weather delays, subcontractor scheduling gaps, and material waste that adds up fast. Prefab and pre-engineered steel kits flip that process. Framing components, roofing panels, and siding are manufactured to exact specifications, then shipped labeled and ready to assemble. That means faster construction timelines, tighter quality control, and dramatically less wasted material. It also means something buyers care about even more right now: predictable costs. When your structural components are pre-engineered, you're not paying for the guesswork that traditional builds are famous for. And Barndominiums specifically pair beautifully with this approach. Their post-frame or steel frame structure was always designed for wide-open spans and simple, efficient shapes, which happens to be exactly what prefab manufacturing does best. Understanding these advantages makes the first design far more impressive than it might appear at first glance. First up is a real, currently listed plan from my Barndo plans called the Rustic Nook, and it proves that a smaller footprint doesn't mean a smaller lifestyle. This is a 1,200 square foot Barndominium built on a straightforward 30 by 40 footprint, with 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. The layout was intentionally designed to be low cost and simple to erect, keeping the roofline and wall dimensions as efficient as possible. The kitchen includes a functional island and a small pantry with easy access to the utility room, giving it more usability than you'd expect from a home this size. If you want additional space down the road, a shop or garage can be added onto the rear of the structure. Here's the number that makes this one stand out. The Nook's red iron steel kit price is listed at $32,963, making it one of the most affordable real Barndominium kits on the market right now. That's the shell only, which we'll talk more about later, but it's an incredibly strong starting point for a single homeowner, a couple, or someone building a downsized retirement property. Luxury often begins with thoughtful planning, not unnecessary square footage. Making the most of limited space is one achievement, but the next design shows how affordability can also work beautifully for growing families. If the Rustic Nook was about efficiency, our second home, a 2-story plan called the Cottage, is about accommodating real, everyday family life. School mornings, laundry piles, and everyone needing their own space at the end of the day. The Cottage is a 2-story Barndominium built for growing families, featuring 4 bedrooms and open living spaces inside a budget-friendly structure. That 2-story layout matters more than it might seem. It lets a family get real bedroom separation and living area square footage without expanding the building's footprint on the ground, which keeps foundation costs more manageable. The pricing here confirms it's built with budget-conscious families in mind. The Cottage's red iron steel kit price comes in at $76,500. That's a meaningful jump from the Rustic Nook, but for a household that actually needs 4 bedrooms, it's still a genuinely accessible number for a 2-story home. A well-designed layout often improves everyday living more than simply adding extra space. The next home approaches affordability from a completely different direction by giving homeowners room to adapt as life changes. Home number 3 is the Getaway. And it isn't just defined by its square footage, it's defined by how adaptable that square footage actually is. The Getaway is a 1,238 square foot floor plan with 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, designed almost like a 40 by 60 layout but slightly larger. It comes with a 2-car garage/shop and a large screened-in porch on the back of the home. That shop space is really what earns this home its spot in the flexible living category. It can function as a workshop, a home office, storage for hobby equipment, or eventually finished square footage if your needs change. The master suite was laid out with private access to a covered porch that leads into that big screened area. So even the flex spaces here were designed with actual daily living in mind, not just leftover square footage. On pricing, the Getaway's red iron steel kit is listed at $39,963, putting it firmly in that budget-friendly tier while still giving you a legitimate shop and outdoor living space most entry-level homes don't include. Design flexibility today often prevents expensive renovations tomorrow. Practicality is important, but the next design proves first impressions deserve just as much attention. Home number 4 is the 1776, for the buyer who wants their driveway to make a statement before anyone even walks through the front door. This is one of the most popular plans in the collection, built around a large shop, a dedicated pantry, and a full wraparound porch. And that wraparound porch is really the signature curb appeal feature here. Instead of a single small entry stoop, the porch extends around multiple sides of the home, creating a much stronger visual presence from the road and giving you usable outdoor living space on more than one side of the house, depending on the time of day and the season. Pairing a wraparound porch with a barn-style roofline is one of the most requested aesthetic combinations in Barndominium design right now, and it's part of why this particular plan has stayed a fan favorite. On pricing, the 1,770 red iron steel kit is listed at $73,980, a fair jump over our first 2 homes, but reasonable given the added porch structure and shop space included in the package. Strong exterior design creates lasting value long before anyone steps inside. Eye-catching architecture may draw people in, but the next home focuses on how everyday living feels once you're actually inside. By now, it's easy to see that affordability isn't about settling for less. It's about choosing the design that works best for your lifestyle. If today's breakdown is helping you see affordable prefab homes from a new perspective, take a moment to hit the like button. It lets us know you'd like to see more practical home building guides like this one, and it helps these ideas reach other future homeowners who are planning their own build right now. We're not finished just yet because the final 2 homes highlight design ideas that many buyers overlook but often end up appreciating the most. Home number 5 is the Anthem, and it's built for the homeowner who loves having people over, whether that's a Sunday dinner with extended family or a casual weekend gathering with friends. This is a 2-story, 2,815 square foot barndominium with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and it's currently one of the most requested plans in the entire collection. The living area is open all the way to the ceiling, filling the space with natural light and giving it a noticeably larger feel than the square footage alone would suggest, and there's a loft overlooking that open living area as well. The kitchen was designed as a true gathering space, connecting seamlessly to the living room and dining area, with counter seating built right into the layout, which is exactly the kind of setup that keeps guests naturally drawn toward the kitchen instead of scattered around the house. The home also includes an oversized 3-car garage with direct access into the living area from multiple entry points. On pricing, the Anthem's red iron steel kit is listed at $89,580, right at the edge of that $100,000 ceiling, which makes sense given the 2-story layout, the loft, and the oversized garage. Open living spaces can make even modest homes feel remarkably spacious. Our final featured design quietly brings together many of the strongest ideas we've explored so far. Our sixth and final home is the Hiron, and it isn't the smallest, the flashiest, or the cheapest on this list. That's exactly why it earns the final spot. The Hiron is a single-story, 4-bedroom barndominium with 3 full bathrooms and a half bath, offering 2,678 square feet of air-conditioned living space built around timeless farmhouse styling paired with modern comforts. It's the kind of home that takes the efficient DNA of the Rustic Nook, the family-focused bedroom count of the Cottage, and the entertaining, friendly open layout of the Anthem, and blends them into one single-story package that doesn't require climbing stairs to access any bedroom. One notable 2026 trend worth mentioning. A growing number of buyers are using the Hiron's 4th bedroom as a sound-isolated home office instead of a traditional bedroom, giving remote workers a genuinely private workspace without adding square footage or property tax burden elsewhere in the home. The floor plan also includes generous porch space and a 3-car garage for storage, vehicles, or workshop setup. On pricing, the Hiron's red iron steel kit is listed at $82,000. Putting a genuinely spacious, single-story 4-bedroom home within reach of that $100,000 target for the shell itself. Sometimes the best value comes from balance rather than excess. Now, before you get too attached to any of these numbers, let's have an honest conversation, because this is the part most videos skip. Every price we mentioned today, for the Rustic Nook, the Cottage, the Getaway, the 1776, the Anthem, and the Hiron, is the red iron steel kit price. The structure, siding, roofing, and the parts needed to assemble it. It does not include your foundation, utility connections, site preparation, or interior finish out. It also generally doesn't include windows, doors, or porch materials unless specifically stated in that plans package. And here's the number a lot of buyers miss entirely. Erecting the kit itself costs extra on top of the kit price. For the Hiron, buyers should plan on roughly $36,000 to $42,000 just for labor to erect the kit. And for the Anthem, that erection labor runs closer to $45,000 to $55,000, with both figures varying by location. That means an $82,000 Hiron kit can realistically become $118,000 to $124,000 before a single wall is insulated or a foundation is poured. And that's before permits, plumbing, electrical, HVAC, or interior finishes enter the picture at all. None of this is meant to discourage you. It's meant to help you budget accurately, because the advertised kit price is genuinely just the starting point of the overall investment. And the smaller homes on this list, like the Rustic Nook and the Getaway, are realistically the ones with the best shot at staying under that full $100,000 number once everything is included. So how do you actually choose between these 6? Start with family size. A couple planning to stay small has very different needs than a family expecting to grow. Then think about your future plans. Are you building a forever home, or a starter property you'll eventually expand or sell? Your lifestyle matters just as much. If you work from home, entertain often, or need dedicated hobby space, that should shape your floor plan choice from day one. Land conditions play a bigger role than most first-time buyers expect. Sloped land, poor soil, or limited utility access can meaningfully change your foundation and site prep costs regardless of which home you pick. And finally, always check your local building codes early. Some counties have specific requirements around barndominium construction that can affect your design before you ever finalize a kit. The lowest advertised price doesn't automatically create the best long-term value. The right home is the one that fits your lifestyle, minimizes future changes, and delivers the comfort you'll appreciate every single day you live in it. A home that's technically cheaper but constantly needs modification down the road often ends up costing more than one built thoughtfully from the start. Sometimes investing a little more upfront creates far greater satisfaction for years to come. And that's a trade-off worth genuinely considering, not just skipping past. Factory-built homes continue gaining momentum because they offer predictable timelines, controlled construction environments, consistent craftsmanship, and designs that continue evolving alongside modern lifestyles. For many future homeowners in 2026, prefab barndominiums are quickly becoming a practical first choice rather than a fallback alternative. And honestly, once you understand the real numbers behind them, it's easy to see why. Today's collection demonstrates that affordable living doesn't have to mean sacrificing thoughtful design, comfort, or lasting quality. Which of today's 6 real homes best match your lifestyle? The Rustic Nook, the Cottage, the Getaway, the 1776, the Anthem, or the Hiron? And what feature made the biggest impression on you? Share your thoughts in the comments. I genuinely read through them. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Modern Luxury Homes USA for more practical building advice, inspiring home designs, and smart housing ideas that help turn future plans into informed decisions. The best home isn't always the one with the highest price tag. More often, it's the one that balances thoughtful design, practical functionality, and a budget that supports the life you actually want to build. All 6 floor plans and kit prices discussed today, the Rustic Nook, the Cottage, the Getaway, the 1776, the Anthem, and the Hiron, are real, currently listed designs from my Barndo plans, based on publicly available manufacturer data at the time of production. Listed prices reflect the red iron steel kit only, and do not include foundation, site preparation, erection labor, utility connections, permits, or interior finish out. Because manufacturers regularly update models, pricing, included features, and regional availability, always verify the latest information directly with the builder before making purchasing or construction decisions.